Hey, so next week the car crashing show will be coming.
Yeah, it's gonna be really, really cool. You'll see it, but you know the car that broke? The guy got a new same car as it. It's the color black. Hope you guys like it.
Yeah, so we're gonna give you a preview right now. And here are the cars that are going to participate in the car crashing show. You see that black one? That's the one that broke. The yellow one, that broke. So then we just decided to get a new one. That car right there, you see. That one. Yeah. So, here are the people that have been waiting. Hi, I'm Fred from Daily Bumps, and I've been with them since the kids were free. And, yeah, I've been waiting the day since this car show was supposed to come out. And I was so mad. I'm gonna be glad that it's coming on Friday. So, yeah. Daily Bumps, I love you. Hi, I'm Dasher, and I've been waiting for this car show to happen. And I'm here with my kid. His name is Rain. So my name's Dasher Reindeer, and his name is Rain Reindeer. I've been waiting for this car show to happen. It took forever. I can't even, wait for this car show. Hi, I'm Buddy, and, I've been waiting for this car show, and I'm like, why is it not even coming out? And once I thought it was coming out, I checked at 6:25 a.m. and then it wasn't even there. So then I got mad, and then, yeah, I don't really know how they had to delay this, but yeah, I wanted to do this, so yeah, that's what I think. Hi, I'm Snowball, and this is my husband. What's your name again, hon? It's Liam. Yeah, guys, my name's Liam. Snowball's husband. These two kids right here are our kids. Is our kids, and alright, yeah, those are our kids. They're about to introduce themselves. Hi, I'm Shanoa. I was the first one born in this family.
Hi, I'm Snowy. I was the second one born in this family.
Hi, I'm just their roommate. So, yeah, Liam's brother named William, and yeah. Then we have the last three people, and then we're done. Hi, I'm the Duck Dad, and these are my two kids right here. The blue one's turning 19, and that one's 17. So yeah. Oh, I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Dad, make sure you don't pee yourself like you did earlier. Shut up. Yeah, the Duck Dad had a little accident. So, my name is Sunny, because I am the good son, and, yeah. Dad, you good? Hi, Mickey. I have a cool, show called Mickey Mouse. It's a Mickey Mouse. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut the heck up! Oh, okay. You guys like my Tesla?